Hey guys, how to get out of vanish mode on Instagram. So open up your Instagram, right? And then just go ahead and open your DMs. Let's say for example I switched that that DM to a vanish mode. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just swipe up or swipe up from the bottom, right? From the bottom of the screen. Alternatively, just tap the turn off vanish mode option at the top of the chat, right? If you want to actually go through it, right? You can see privacy and safety, vanish mode, just turn it off, and then basically your DMs will be back. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.